Yo, what you I'm here with our Classroom of the Month winners, Mrs. Henry's class, her grade 7 class here at Beam Fates Weldon School 1, and they were nominated by Jeanne Tessier right here to my right. First off, what do you guys think makes your classroom so deserving to be a Classroom of the Month? We'll start off with you.
I think I just have a lot of great kids in our class. They're very energetic, they're very eager, they're respectful, always willing to do whatever I ask them to do. They're there. Actually, it's a really good group of kids.
Fantastic. Now, what do you think makes your class really special?
Well, no matter what, they're like always there for you, and like I've been with them since like grade 1 and 2.
Awesome, very cool. Now let's talk about the classroom a little bit more. What are you guys kind of learning right now? What kind of stuff
right now,
are you doing?
actually, we're just kind of wrapping up everything because we are done in, well, they got what, 7 days left, 7 class days left, so we're done here right away. So we actually, today they're presenting, they did a Holocaust project, so in ELA, so some of them really good projects. We're wrapping up in science, we're doing some looking at the soil, water system, kind of stuff, so it's just kind of, we're just wrapping up.
A lot of stuff I really don't miss doing.
No. No.
Now, what would you say was your favorite class out of everything?
ELA.
What is that?
Well, I like the Holocaust project.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Pretty cool?
Yeah, I like learning about it.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys so much. Thanks for having us out here.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Awesome. Be sure to nominate your classroom on discoverestevan.com.